Rajendra Kumar, the Jubilee star of Indian cinema. Rajendra Kumar, often hailed as the Jubilee star, was one of the most prominent and beloved actors in Indian cinema during the 1950 and 1960. Known for his charming screen presence and versatility, Kumar's films frequently enjoyed extended runs in theatres, earning him the title Jubilee Kumar. Early life and background. Rajendra Kumar Tuli was born on July 20, 1929, in Sialkot, British India, now in Pakistan. His family migrated to India during the partition in 1947, settling in Mumbai, then Bombay. The turmoil and challenges of partition shaped Kumar's early life, but his passion for acting and determination to succeed in the film industry remained undeterred. Initial struggles. Kumar faced numerous hardships during his early days in Mumbai, taking on various odd jobs while trying to break into the film industry. Despite the challenges, his dedication and perseverance eventually led to his first acting opportunity. Entry into Bollywood. Rajendra Kumar made his acting debut in the film Jogan, 1950, where he played a small role. His talent and screen presence soon caught the attention of filmmakers, leading to more significant roles in subsequent films. Rise to stardom. Kumar's breakthrough came with the film Vachan, 1955, where his performance was well received. However, it was his role in Mother India, 1957, one of Indian cinema's most iconic films, that firmly established him as a rising star. Playing the character of Birju, Kumar's portrayal of a rebellious son resonated with audiences and showcased his acting prowess. The Jubilee star. Rajendra Kumar's career soared to new heights during the late 1950 and 1960. He became known as the Jubilee star due to the numerous silver and golden Jubilee hits he delivered during this period. 8. Golden era of success. Films like Goonj Uthi Shehnai, 1959, Dhool Ka Phool, 1959, Mere Mehboob, 1963, Sangam, 1964, Arzu, 1965, and Suraj, 1966, were box office successes, cementing his status as one of Bollywood's leading actors. Kumar's ability to portray a range of characters, from romantic heroes to intense dramatic roles, endeared him to audiences across generations. Though collaborations with leading actresses, Kumar's on-screen chemistry with leading actresses like Vaijayanti Mala, Saira Banu, and Sadhna contributed to the success of many of his films. His romantic pairings were particularly popular, making him a favorite among fans of Bollywood romances. Versatility and acting style. Rajendra Kumar was known for his versatility and ability to adapt to different genres. Whether it was romance, drama, or action, Kumar's performances were marked by sincerity and depth. 8. Memorable performances. His role in Dil Ek Mandir, 1963, where he played a terminally ill patient, earned him critical acclaim and showcased his emotional range. In Sangam, 1964, directed by Raj Kapoor, Kumar's portrayal of a man caught in a complex love triangle demonstrated his ability to handle intricate character dynamics. Though singing and music played a significant role in Kumar's films, with many of his songs becoming timeless classics. His collaboration with legendary playback singers like Muhammad Rafi contributed to the success of these musical hits, further enhancing his appeal. Transition to production. In the later years of his career, Rajendra Kumar transitioned to film production, continuing to contribute to the industry in a new capacity. Production ventures. Kumar produced successful films like Love Story, 1981, which marked the debut of his son, Kumar Gaurav. The film was a massive hit and introduced a new generation to the legacy of Rajendra Kumar. Legacy and honors. Rajendra Kumar's contributions to Indian cinema have left an indelible mark, and his legacy continues to be celebrated. 8. Awards and recognition. Throughout his career, Kumar received several awards and honors for his performances. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1969, one of India's highest civilian honors, in recognition of his contributions to the arts. Though cultural impact. Kumar's films have become an integral part of Indian cinematic history. His roles and performances are often remembered and cherished by fans and film enthusiasts, reflecting the lasting impact he made on the industry. Personal life. Rajendra Kumar's personal life was marked by his close-knit family and enduring relationships within the film industry. Family and relationships. Kumar was married to Shukla Kumar, and the couple had 3 children, including actor Kumar Gaurav. Despite the pressures of stardom, Kumar maintained a strong bond with his family, who supported him throughout his career. Rajendra Kumar's journey from a struggling actor to the Jubilee star of Indian cinema is a story of talent, determination, and perseverance. His contributions to Bollywood, both as an actor and a producer, have left a legacy that continues to inspire and entertain. Kumar's films, filled with memorable performances and timeless music, remain a testament to his enduring impact on the world of Indian cinema.